we need to download the new Gala Create app. So we're going to go to Google Chrome, go to galacreate.com again. Okay, and we have that new app available. Just click Start for free. And next, here you can see we are downloading the file of that new app. We're just gonna wait for it. You can click open here if it pops up. And now it's officially installing. Awesome. Now we have the new interface for Gala Create, and you have the accessibility to sign in. And once you are signed in, you have the official Gala Create Go interface. Okay. Next thing you want to do is go to source, because we're going to go pull from the local storage. We have two different options, but we're going to click local storage. Here we have add media option. Let's go ahead and click that. Here you have all the files inside again, but let's locate that folder that we created. Okay, we have those two pieces of content. We're just going to click them individually. Okay, it's officially on. Let's go ahead and add the other one. Just like so, we're just going to click it. And those are officially inside of the media library. So next, we want to create a playlist. So go to playlist, hit new playlist. We're going to go and give this playlist a name. We'll call it wedding. Okay, we're just going to go and click create, just like so. And now our playlist is created. Now we need to add the content inside. Let's click add media. And here we have those two pieces of content. Just make sure you click them both, just like that, and hit this yellow check button. And they're officially inside of your playlist that you created. And now the next cool thing is you have scheduling. You can schedule these pieces of content. Right now it's 1:52, so we'll just schedule it for this example. Just around like 1:55 p.m. In the next one, we'll try to do 2 p.m. and it will play exactly in that sequence. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead. As soon as you have your scheduling set up, just hit play on display, just like that. And it will start playing immediately. And then it will transition whenever the time changes. Also, cool feature, you have this lock icon that you can lock the screen so no one touches it or no one can get away with, any settings that you programmed. You can also unlock it yourself by holding the top left section of the screen, just like so. Just click it once and just hold on to that unlock button. Okay, so I hope that this helped. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a shout.